Hello friends, in this video I will show you a very important and useful feature of the Windows laptop which helps you to filter the blue lights from your laptop screen. So without wasting the time, let's do this setting now. You have to go to this start and then search here night. Then you can see there is a open system setting called night light. You can click on this. So this is the night light setting panel, and if you can see something called strength. So if you move the cursor to the left, you can see the intensity of a blue light is getting increased, and if you move the cursor towards the right, the intensity is getting decreased. So this is how you can control your blue light filter in your laptop. So adjust this setting as per your requirement or the strength which your eyes can tolerate. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.